OBS. This is how to use OBS. Your settings. You go stream, Twitch. You can link your Twitch account, or you can get a stream key. But I've got my account linked. You've got all the other like YouTube, Facebook Live, Twitter, and all that stuff. I'm not gonna say all the inappropriate ones, but if you can see all them, I'll do them slowly. I'm not saying them out loud because I know I'll get in trouble. Alright, we'll go back up to Twitch, wherever it is. Oh, where's Twitch? I actually can't find Twitch. Thanks. Alright, and then you can apply. I can teach you how to change FPS, so you go right there. You can go common frames, or you can go fractional, and then you can choose. Then if I go 1000, it'll give me 1000. It's indicating of Twitch, but don't worry. Alright, see, look, 920 FPS. That's a lot of FPS there. Yes, I am recording this video offline. I'm not turning my camera on because I am in a room with someone that cannot be seen. So we're gonna delete this. We're gonna remove. Alright, so first we're gonna teach you how to use window capture, but we're gonna remove everything. I've got a mystery guy behind me. All I'm gonna say is shout out to Simajit Sod here. Make sure to go subscribe to Simajit Sod here. Sorry about the noise in the background, guys. Simajit Sod here is trying to become a famous YouTuber. He has helped me with YouTube streams. Alright, so sources. This is. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna mute my mic, but I'll be back. I muted the mic, thank God. That's the end of the tutorial. But yeah, that's the tutorial, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to me and Sam, Simajit Sod here, and my VODs channel. That will be in the description. Hit that like button. Peace out.